Hi everyone, it's Anne from Positively Papercraft, and I said I would come on and would do some of try Alina's foils and our foil stamps. So I've got some to show you that I've done, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with them, the results. I haven't really had many bad ones, to be honest. So I just turned this into a card, and that's those flower hot foil stamps, but then you cut them out with dies. So I made that one and I put it on that heart background, and then this one here, which is Just Love, and I used the new heart background, but I put foil, like card foil, underneath just to make the hearts stand out. And they're all Alina's dies, but yeah, that foiling is pretty good. Pretty good, that. It looks lovely. And then I've just got a few that I haven't made into anything yet that I wanted to show you. So Just Love, this one's in the red foil. Don't Forget to Love Yourself. That is the Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Aren't those flowers just absolutely gorgeous? And to me they just look like you've bought them like that, to be honest. And there's another one, and this is a pink one, and I tried to like shape them a bit, but with them being so big, it's not really that kind of flower, is it? So there's a smaller one, pink and silver foil, and there's another element of the flowers, and that's a Crafter's Companion one. Just Love again, and there's some more little elements of the flowers ready to cut out. That's the pink foil, that's the sparkly gold foil. And I mean, if you look at those results there, they are pretty good. In fact, they're fantastic, really. There's no overfoiling, there's no missed bits, and that was the big huge one, and that's absolutely perfect. Now at the beginning there was, because I hadn't got the temperature right, so I've got the fan on, it's so hot, as you can see there, there's missed bits and it's not as neat, but I just wanted to show you. This one was terrible, really. That one had just missed a bit there, that one had missed on there, and that one was just horrendous. So yes, them were the mistakes, but now that I think I've got it all sussed, like what temperature and stuff, I'm going to show you now. So as you know, I've got the Gemini hot foil press. I know there is a few hot foils machines out there. This is the one I've got anyway. So if you have this one, I find it's the lowest heat setting, and most of Alina's dies come in at about, I think it's 30 seconds, which is what I found to work pretty well for all of them, really. So that's what I found. I did have a play around, and when I put it up to medium, you started to get the overfoiling. When I put it to like 15-20 seconds, they weren't foiling enough. You were getting missed bits, like I showed you before. So I'm just going to get a bit of card here. So I'll just cut this, because I meant to do this and I actually didn't do it. I just cut a few sizes. So I think we will use this silver foil here, and we'll do the happy birthday to you. So I'm just going to put that on the machine. Okay, just place that on there, and then I'm going to cut some foil. You want a good sharp pair of scissors as well to cut the foil. It's because I've got the fan on. It's blown the foil everywhere, but it's so warm tonight, it really is. Okay, so that should be enough. Oh goodness, I might have to turn it off actually, it's blown stuff all over the place. So I'm just going to put shiny side down and cover your stamp, your hot foil stamp. Got a bit of card and I'm going to pop that over there, and then I'm going to put this plate on and I'm going to press start, and it will beep when it counts down for 30 seconds. Then I'll run it through the machine and we'll see if it's worked. Now I'll probably speed up the bits that you don't need to see, like running through the machine and stuff. I just really wanted to show you, but yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this, and I hope she brings out, you know, like more colours and definitely more foil stamps. Okay, so that's ready. So I'm going to run it through the Gemini Junior. Okay, so I'm hoping it's worked. Oh wow, I mean that's perfect. It really is perfect. There's no missed bits at all. So, and then there's the, you can see the clean scrap that's left. So perfect. So to pick them up, you just hold your tweezers together, and then the magnet will just pick it up and then just open them and drop it down, because they will be absolutely red hot, especially, you know, the metal foils. They will be really hot, so be careful. So we'll try some of this gorgeous gold foil. And we'll try the Don't Forget to Love Yourself. So again, I'm just going to pop that on the platform. Okay, so foil goes shiny side down on top of your hot foil stamp. Bit of card over the top of that, plate, and start. And I mean, Alina's hot foil stamps, the price of them there's a big difference. Like I say, I just hope she brings more designs and stuff out, because it would be great if she had a really big choice. Right, so you can see there, I think it's took okay. Now it's missed a tiny little bit there. Oh no, and it's missed a bit there. So this is why I'm doing it, because I just want you to see, okay? so it could be that we need to turn the heat up. So I know some did take 31 minutes, so we will try that again. Okay. Card. Start. Let's hope it's worked. I mean, it can be a lot of trial and error with these machines. Ow. So yeah, it's better, but it's not perfect. Could be that the machine isn't heated up enough, or the dye's not being heated up enough. I don't know, but it's not too bad anyway. So let's try the same dye but with a different foil. We'll try the blue foil. And I also want to try foiling onto vellum and acetate, so I must try that as well. Okay, paper on, and I'm going to put the timer up just an extra second and press start. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, beautiful foil. Yeah, see, there we go. Now that's perfect now. And all I had to do was just put the temperature up an extra 2 seconds. So from my experience, you know, I think if it's not foiling, just put the timer up a little bit. Like I say, it's on the lowest heat. I did put it up to the medium heat with less seconds, but then that's when I started to get the foiling down here and up here. And like I say, it's a new machine to me. I'm not experienced with it, but I'm finding that that means it's too hot. That's what I find. So yeah, low setting and between 30 and 32 seconds for this machine anyway. Right, so we will do this flower, which is absolutely gorgeous. So let's have a different foil. We'll do this gold. This is like a different kind of pattern of gold. Okay, so shiny side down, that's telling us that it's ready. And then, as I said, you can cut these ones out with the matching dies, which is what I did, and they are beautiful. Right, top on, and press start. Okay, so we'll run this through. Okay, so we can see the indent there of the flower. Look at that, isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And then I found as well, do you see this tiny little piece here and here? If you just go like that, it comes off. I don't know if it's just little bits of overfoiling. There, it's gone. And again, I've tended to find that it could be a little bit too hot or a little bit too long. So I'm going to bring it back down to 31 seconds. But yeah, that is beautiful. And then there is some like little leaves and things as well. So and other little flowers. So I'm going to put them in as well. Just let that heat up a little bit. But yeah, it's totally clean where it needs to be for the flower, so happy with that. Let's have a blue flower, I think. Blue flowers rather, because I've put the other little elements on as well. And then all these little bits that I cut off, you can just keep them for like, you know, little hot foil stamps. Okay, so I've got the foil on. Let's cut this card. I'm just going to let that heat through for a little bit because I've just put those other 3 little dies on, and obviously they won't be as hot as the one that's been on there, the flower die. Okay, so we can see there, let's have a look. Oh wow, perfect. And then you can cut them out with the matching dies if you have them anyway, or if you want them you can just fussy cut them as well, or just foil them straight on to your card. So yeah, overall I'm really impressed with Alina's new foiling stuff. I think it's great, no different to any other brand out there, so I'm happy with them. I mean, you can see the results there, and then those 2 pretty cards that I made. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll be back again soon with another video. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.